There are many car headlight bulb products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best car headlight bulbs from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sealight Car Headlight Bulb. Rating 4.3. Sealight 9006 Fog Light adopts a 1:1 original beam design and ultra-focus light pattern that creates a clear line in front of you, which won't dazzle the coming driver. Ultra-thin chip copper plate, providing 360 degrees no dark spotlighting. Sealight HB4 bulb's body uses full aviation aluminum, a hollow heatsink design, and a 5,000 RPM turbo cooling fan to ensure more than 50,000 hours of continuous lighting and stable operation. They are also IP68 waterproof, giving you a better view and working well in bad weather. HB4IC easy to finish the installation in a short time. No additional wiring or parts and additional adapters are required. 360 degrees adjustable clasp can achieve the best angle needed for lighting, 3 to 9 o'clock. Number 4. Foreign Car Headlight Bulb. Rating 4.4. Top automotive grade chips with 22,000 LM per pair, 6500K cool white. Super focused beam pattern design provides a wider and farther lighting range, which is 6 times brighter than your original halogen bulb. With a whole aviation aluminum body, unique hollow carved heatsink design, and 2,000 RPM turbo cool fan, our H11 driving light bulbs provide super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lifespan of up to 5,000 hours. Almost 1:1 mini design same as halogen, our H9 light bulbs perfectly fit into your housing and factory sockets without any modification, just plug and play. Our H8 light bulbs work with 98% of the vehicle's computer system without error, while some sensitive models may require an additional CAN bus decoder to be installed. Number 3. Oxido Car Headlight Bulb. Rating 4.5. With upgraded CSP LED chips, the H11 9005 LED bulbs combo offers 50,000 lumens light output than halogen bulbs and white 6500K color temperature, providing further and wider visibility for night driving to ensure the front is well lit. All-in-one and mini-size designs make Oxido 9005 H11 LED light bulbs easy to install. You can convert the original bulbs to these LED bulbs by yourself in your garage. Just twist the old bulbs out and twist the new ones in. All will finish in 10 minutes. Built-in copper tube and whole aviation aluminum body effectively pull the heat away from the LED chips to maximize the lifespan and performance of Oxido 9005 H11 LED bulbs. Even being used 12 hours a day, the bulbs can also last more than 10 years. Number 2. Hikari Car Headlight Bulb. Rating 4.5. Our upgraded core H11 bulbs feature 12 advanced LED chips, providing an impressive 20,000 lumens. This ensures clear and reliable illumination during nighttime driving and in adverse weather conditions. Utilizing super thin chip technology, the core H11 bulbs deliver a focused light beam. This design ensures the light is concentrated in the desired direction, enhancing visibility and reducing glare for oncoming drivers, suitable for use in rainy and foggy weather. Constructed with high-quality materials and an efficient cooling system, these LED bulbs offer durability and an extended lifespan, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. Number 1. Oxbeam Car Headlight Bulb. Rating 4.8. Upgraded 48 PCs Blade X chip, 24,000 lumens, and 110W high output arm your car with a farther and wider lighting field. Oxbeam H13 bulbs focus on super brightness, providing 700% more light and 300% more night vision than original halogen bulbs for confident driving anytime. Say goodbye to those yellow dim stock bulbs and see what you want to see clearly with super bright light. IP68 waterproof. The 9008 bulbs can work stably in any harsh weather and need only 0.1 second startup time. Compatible with 99% of models without electric circuit modification or dust cover damage, perfectly fitting the housing. The H13 bulb is committed to making installation a breeze. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.